to input the antenna heights. So you're either set up over a known point over your last setup or over any point. So right now we're not set up over a known point, so we're going to click over any point. Okay, so this is where you enter the antenna height and select your base antenna. We are using the tripod, so it automatically puts in the 360 millimeter offset that we know exists from the point where we measure from the ground to the instrument, the green handle looking thing. So from the ground to the white line, I measured 121 centimeters. You put that in meters here, and it will put in the 360 millimeter offset as well. Click next. Point ID. So here's where you want to label your point. And I'm just going to label it base 1. Okay, so now we're going to click this arrow. We're going to go next. And it says that your base setup is complete. So we're good with the base station. Now we need to press Rover to return to our GS18. Okay.
Connection.
And you'll see that it disconnects from the base station, and in a minute it will say it is connected to the other GS sensor.
RTK initialize. Connected to GS sensor.
Alright, we are connected to our GS18. So now we need to do the antenna height for that as well. So when you do the antenna height for the Rover, you go to settings, and then it'll pop up with these boxes, and you do the second box, which is GS sensor. You have satellite tracking, antenna heights, GNSS raw data logging, and tilt compensation. So we're doing the antenna height. I am just using the standard pole, as you can see, and I've connected it to the end, and it is set right now to 2 meters height. If you can see the white lines, so this top line here to the right is 1.8 meters height, and the one that I have it selected to, the second white line to the left, is 2 meters height. We do not have a vertical offset because it will go directly to the point, which is on the ground, and we know the height is 2 meters. If you are using it as a backpack unit where you have a telescoping rod inserted into a PVC pipe in your backpack, then you'll just measure from let me show you exactly where you measure. You measure from the ground to the base where this antenna plugs into the sensor.